Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to answer a fascinating question. Can stomach acid digest razor blades? You may have heard stories of people swallowing weird objects, like razor blades, and wondered if their stomach acid could break them down. Well, let's find out. First, let's talk about stomach acid. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which is a highly corrosive substance that helps break down the food we eat. But how strong is it? Well, the pH of stomach acid ranges from 1.5 to 3.5, which means it's highly acidic. In fact, it's strong enough to dissolve metal. Now, let's move on to razor blades. Razor blades are typically made of stainless steel, which is an alloy composed of iron, carbon, and other elements. Stainless steel is highly resistant to corrosion and rust, which is why it's commonly used in surgical tools and other applications. So, can stomach acid dissolve stainless steel? The short answer is no. Stomach acid is simply not strong enough to break down stainless steel, or any metal for that matter. Even if you were to swallow a razor blade, it would most likely pass through your digestive system without being digested. But what about stories of people who claim to have swallowed razor blades and passed them without any harm? Well, it's possible that the razor blades were small and thin enough to pass through the digestive tract without causing any damage. However, this is not something that we would recommend trying at home. Stomach acid plays a crucial role in the digestive process. When we eat, food travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach, where it is mixed with gastric juices. Gastric juices consist of hydrochloric acid and enzymes, which work together to break down the food into smaller particles. The hydrochloric acid in the gastric juices has a pH level of 1.5 to 3.5, which is highly acidic. This acidity is necessary for several reasons. First, it helps to kill any harmful bacteria that may be present in the food. Second, it activates enzymes that break down proteins in the food. And third, it creates an environment that is optimal for the absorption of nutrients. Interestingly, the stomach is able to secrete up to 2 liters of gastric juices per day. This means that it can digest large quantities of food, as well as deal with any potentially harmful bacteria or viruses that may be present. However, excessive production of stomach acid can also lead to problems, such as acid reflux, heartburn, and ulcers. Acid reflux occurs when the stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, which can cause a burning sensation in the chest and throat. This is a common condition that affects many people and can be caused by a variety of factors, including obesity, pregnancy, and certain medications. Heartburn is a symptom of acid reflux and is characterized by a burning sensation in the chest. It can also be caused by eating too much or too quickly and can be exacerbated by certain foods, such as spicy or acidic foods. Ulcers are another condition that can be caused by excessive production of stomach acid. Ulcers are sores that form in the lining of the stomach or the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. They can be caused by a bacterial infection called Helicobacter pylori, as well as by long-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as aspirin and ibuprofen. Treatment for acid reflux, heartburn, and ulcers usually involves medication that reduces the production of stomach acid. These medications, known as proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, and H2 receptor blockers, are highly effective and can provide relief within a few days. However, they should be used only under the supervision of a healthcare provider, as they can have side effects and interact with other medications. In addition to medication, there are also several lifestyle changes that can help reduce the production of stomach acid and prevent acid reflux, heartburn, and ulcers. These include eating smaller, more frequent meals, avoiding trigger foods, such as spicy or acidic foods, not lying down immediately after eating, elevating the head of the bed, quitting smoking, losing weight if overweight, limiting alcohol and caffeine intake. Thanks for watching. Please support us to create more such informative videos.